With all electric vehicle sales on the rise in North America, Europe, and China, Ford is integrating global experts into a new center of excellence dedicated to accelerating battery development. This is in addition to at least $22 billion Ford is investing in connected electrified vehicles by 2025. This team aims to grow the company's battery expertise as Ford aims to accelerate technology and manufacturing innovation to deliver batteries with lower cost and higher range for customers over time, including next-generation lithium-ion and advanced solid-state batteries. Ford Ion Park will be based in Southeast Michigan and will help advance battery research and development to deliver global solutions. A $185 million investment for a dedicated Ford Ion Park facility will allow the company to pilot battery electrode, cell, and array capability, new manufacturing processes, and collaborate with internal and external partners to scale production of vehicle batteries, all in the name of creating a growing lineup of all-electric vehicles customers will love.